All right, these are some examples of the work that you're going to be doing today. Sorry I couldn't be with you, but let me kind of walk you through an example of each one that'll help you with the worksheet here. So for this first one, we have 9x's plus 4 minus 4x's equal 49. So I draw this line down the equal sign. What I can see is on this side, I have 9x's, but then I'm taking 4 away. So they're both on that same side. So what I want to do is I want to combine like terms. I want to take 9x's and go ahead and take the 4x's away since they're on the same side. And that'll leave me with 5x's. All right. And then this plus 4 is still there. So I'm just simplifying that side. I haven't really done anything to both sides yet or anything. I was just trying to make this side look a little cleaner. Right? And it made it 5x. And now I'm down to this two-step process. And on the two-step process, you want to get rid of both of these numbers. The one that's all by itself is going to always be the easiest one to do first. So to get rid of a plus 4, let's just go minus 4 to both sides. All right, so that goes away. And now I've got 5x equals 49 minus 4, which is 45. And since this is 5 times x, the opposite of multiplying is dividing. We're going to divide by 5, and we end up with x equal to 45 divided by 5, which is 9. All right. And that's our answer. We can plug that back in if we want and try it. It should give us 49. But what we saw here is if we have multiple x's on the same side, just go ahead and put them together and then solve it from there. All right. For number 2, we're going to distribute this 3. And a lot of you are good at this already, so when you see that number in front of parentheses like that, let's go ahead and do that. 3 times 5 will give us 15, and then minus 3 times 2, that'll give us 6, right? Equals 54. And once we've distributed, now it's a two-step equation. Again, let's get rid of the number that's by itself. So to get rid of a minus 6, let's go plus 6. All right, that's going to go away. We'll get 15y equals 54 plus 6, which is 60. And then let's go ahead and divide by 15. All right, that cancels that. And we get y equal to 4. That's our answer. If we want to plug that back in, we can test it out and see, but that will definitely work for us. So the key is trying to get it to this two-step, and once we get to the two-step, it should be automatic. We get rid of the number that's by itself first, and then, in this case, divide to get rid of that. So this third example then is a combination of the two. We have distributing to do first, so we're going to multiply by 3. That'll give us 4x plus 3 times 2, that's 6x. And then 3 times negative 7 is a negative 21, all right, equals, and then we have 49 here, all right? So that's step 1. Then we see that we have x's on both sides, so let's go ahead and put them together. 4x's plus 6x's make 10x's, minus 21 equals 49. All right, so we just put those two together, pretty simple. Now we have that two-step look. We want to get rid of the number that's by itself, so we're going to add 21. All right, 10x equals 70, and then we're going to divide by 10. All right, and we end up with x equal to 7. So that'll get you started. Go ahead and do the worksheet, and then when you're all done, you can check the video on the solutions to make sure you're getting it. By the end of the day, you should feel pretty good about doing these kinds of problems.